One of the snags with supermarket buying and a lot of availability of things from all around the world is that most people, especially the young generation, are not aware, and it's not their fault, but they're not aware of the fact that all plants have their seasons for harvesting. Now, those seasons vary obviously according to the time of the year, what's available and so on. But because you can buy, in this country, you can buy strawberries in March, for instance, they will have to be imported mainly from the southern hemisphere. Now that implies a huge amount of carbon dioxide in terms of transport, in terms of refrigeration, because fresh fruit, particularly things like leafy things and fruits in particular, will have to be moved long distances, and this implies a huge amount of problems when looked from the point of view of climate change. And climate change, people are beginning to be aware of the implications of it. One of the main things about it obviously is transport and using fuels of various types for refrigeration and transportation. A classic example of that, and probably one of the worst examples, is mange tout peas. That's the type of pea you eat the pod and all. They have a relatively short season, and we can produce them for about 4 months of the year in the summer in this country. If you buy mange tout peas for the rest of the year, they have to be flown in from either African countries or the Caribbean. Those are the countries which generally produce those things out of our seasons. When that happens, you are actually causing a flight which is, in my view, in terms of climate change, little short of a criminal offence. We need to get our heads around these sorts of issues, because if we don't get our heads around these sorts of issues, there is no way that we can reach our targets on climate change and start taking some serious action to do something seriously about it. It is a major issue. It is an issue which is crucial to the reduction of carbon dioxide and other climate changing gases.